Now we are going to see set operations with methods and built-in function. Okay, we are going to see some set operations with some built-in functions. Okay, here for example, I am taking two sets. One is x with 5 elements and then y with another 5 elements. Okay, two sets here we are having. So now the union operation. So the union operation means it will return all the elements. It will give you a new sets with all the elements from both x and y. Okay, but the elements shouldn't get repeated. It won't give the same element second time, or again and again you can't see any elements over here. Okay, no repetitive item will be here in the union. Okay, here x and y are two sets, x dot union, but this is a syntax. This is the way you can mention union operation in Python language. Okay, using this is x means set, and then union is the methods available in set. Okay, x dot union of b, this is the symbol, the or symbol you can use, x or b or x union of b. Now this is a symbol we are using for this union operation. So x union y. Okay, this is the output we are getting. So it will give you all the elements from either set x or y. Okay, then now intersection operation. So the intersection operation means it will give you the common elements from both the sets. In this example we are having what are the common elements are there from both the sets x and y, 4 and 5. No, so it will give you the sets with the elements 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5 the elements from both x and y. The intersection means area both the elements, that is the element should be presented in all the given sets. So in this example we are having only two sets. So in these two sets we are having 4 and 5 as common elements. So the intersection operation will be giving us a common elements. Okay, this is the symbol and the symbol x and y. This is the way we can symbolize the intersection operation of set. Okay, union and then intersection, all these are set methods. Okay, built-in functions of sets. Okay, then now we are going to see another one, difference operation. So set I am taking x set. Okay, x dot difference of y. So it will give you the all the elements. It will give you all the elements from the set x, not from the y, because this is equal to x minus y. We are subtracting the set element x from y. So it will give you all the elements from x. Okay, so in this example we are having 1 2 3 now, because only the x element you will be getting as output now. So we have to minus all the element which are not presenting in x, not presenting in y, sorry, because here we are minus y now. So we have to subtract all the elements, y elements from x. Okay, then 1 2 3 is unique in x now. So this is the way you are getting the output 1 2 3 here for this difference operation. Okay, just it will give you the subtraction set, subtraction also you can say. Okay, only the elements from x you will be getting. This is the way you can symbolize the set difference operation, x minus y. Then another operation is symmetric difference. So symmetric difference means you can get the elements presenting in either sets. Here either x or y. The element is in any one set, you can take that. Okay, so the symmetric difference, x dot symmetric difference, this is the way you can symbolize the symmetric difference operation x and y. Okay, so the elements from either x or y you will get as output. Okay, so x dot symmetric difference of y is the reverse is also same. Suppose for example y dot symmetric difference x means, so the both the way you will be receiving the same number of elements as output of the sets. Okay, it returns sets with the elements from either x or y. This is the way the symmetric difference operation will work. Okay, then you can think now what is the difference between difference operation and symmetric operation. Now in this on the difference you will receive all the elements presenting in the first set, not from the second set. Okay, it won't take any element from the second set, but in this case it will give you the elements from either x or y. Okay, that is the difference between difference and symmetric difference operations. Okay, then now we are going to see superset operation. Here x is superset of y, so obviously it means we are considering x as a superset of y. Then y is a obviously going to be the subset. X is superset and Y is the subset of X. Okay, so X, the value of X is greater than Y, because this is the X is the superset. No? It will have more value, more elements are there in X set. It means that superset means it should have more elements. Okay, here X I am declaring as superset. So yes, the value of X is greater than the value of Y, since Y is subset here. Okay, then in the same way, X is, you can check, X is subset of Y. So here we are declaring the set X as subset of Y. Then obviously the value of X is less than Y, because here Y is your superset. Here X is our superset. Here Y is our superset. So Y will have more elements than X. So here X is smaller than Y. Here X is greater than Y. This is a way you can check the superset. One set is superset of another set. So one set is the subset of another set. This is the symbol we can use. Okay. So these are all the basic set operations. Set operations with methods and built-in functions. Okay. Okay. Bye.